Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This van here is apparently new for 2022. It's the Challenger V114. Hang on, this was new several years ago. Who are they trying to kid? You see, they've got some stickers to use. They're just sticking them on anything and think that they can con us people from Newcastle. Well, anyway, V114 Road Edition. It's exactly the same in the show song. I don't know what it's called in the show song. Let's have a look at it. And before we do that, this new van that was new several years ago, 6 meters long, 205 wide. That shows how tired I am. I've just forgotten. 57,850 euros for this new van. So what's new about it then? You know what? This was even in the same position when I filmed it the first time, about 4 years ago. There you go. Big roof tent, which has already been broken. That didn't take me very long, did it? I mean, look at that. Already it's come away. Or is it meant to be like that? Who knows? But anyway, whilst I'm up here, actually, I'll just make this point. You know, when you see these things about these tents in the roofs, look how much this. Can you imagine sleeping with that in winter, right? Or with that there? I mean, that's not going to keep you very warm, I fear. There you go. You do have a view though, as Carmann Mobil called it, the view. I'm serious. That is the name of the camper van with a tent in the roof with a view. All right. Anyway, good. So we've seen the tent in the roof. Mind you, in summer, hey, you'd be glad to have a place like that to sleep. And this year, for me, it was roasting for about 4 months. Not so people in Germany, only 1,200 kilometers further to the west, I should say. It was cold. Oh, look at all that space. Oh, wasn't that nice? Oh. And here, well, it's a basic camper van, and which is not new. No thrills. This will come up. It's the same as all the other camper vans in the Trigano group. Probably the same price as well. It's just a matter. There's the wardrobes down there. It's just a matter of which decals you want on the outside. And if you want one that says new on the outside, well, you can get this. One good point I should always point out, because they didn't always exist, is the insect nest. No, what's it called here? This net. The insect nests are inside. Let's have a look at a couple more vans while we're here. Here's the V114S, and this one doesn't appear to be new. This one costs 45,470. Oh, this one's got green chairs. That's new. Haven't seen that before, even though this isn't new. I do like the way though it's contoured like that. I think that's pretty good. And I like the storage. Well, plenty of storage. Such a short van, but plenty of storage. S, I think, means small. Yeah, look at that. For a tiny van like this, you've got this big, really big toilet and shower. You might not think that, hey, that's not big, I hear you say. Yes, it is. It's a small van. And I'm really into sort of small vans, because I think that people really want to get self-contained for doing a bit of off-grid life. See, so it's a 541 centimeter vehicle. Compared to this one here, this is the longer version, 6 meter one. This has got the German layout at the back. See, if you're tall, you don't fit across. So that'd be internally, it's a roughly 190 for the bed. So if you need a bigger bed, you need a German layout. This isn't a German layout. This is a big bed, bigger bed, but it's not a German layout bed. I don't know why I said a German layout. There might have been a reason for it, or maybe I just failed to recognise the van I was going into. Should have looked at the sign before coming in. So look at the sign whilst going out. Didn't give you the price. 51,000. But one thing here is you can change the mattresses around as well, so you get space in the middle. Let's have a look at this one. Another really short van. Oh, it is the V114S. It's the same as the one we saw before last, the one before last. And so I think these small vans really are a pretty good idea. If you're not carrying too much, I mean, for me, I've got piles and piles of junk I carry around with me, so it probably wouldn't suit me. Right, so this is the V114 Premium, 56,000 euros, 6-metre van, and so what does premium mean? Well, it's got a nice colour. It says premium at the front. It's got an exclusive inner decor. It's got fog lamps. It's got frames on the windows. It's got half leather seating. It's got the possibility of these darkening screens that you put up front, which I thought they were more standard. And it's high quality furniture and upholstery. And it's got LED lighting. Quite honest, I think most of them got them things anyway. So right, where's this? Where's the darkening them up front? Right, who can see it? Right, has somebody removed the darkening? Well, never mind about that. Let's go at the back. See, half leather. That could be half leather. Got a nice moulded sink. Not there was anything written about a nice moulded sink. It's a toilet. Sorry to turn the lights on. Where are the lights? The lights used to be down here. They've gone. Never mind. And bed at the back, which goes up like that. Pretty convenient if you're carrying a bike. Wardrobe down here on the right. So I don't think there's anything new there, but except maybe the upholstery. So this is a VIP V114 VIP. That is new. It did not have that thing stuck on the side like that. Yeah. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's a very nice decal there. So that, I think, is new. Anything else new? Well, not as far as I can see. So that's the V114 in various layouts, in 540 and 599 centimeter lengths at Dusseldorf, from French manufacturer Challenger, which is exactly the same as Chausson and almost exactly the same as Forster, Carmann, Mobil, Frankia, and probably all the others. Thanks for watching.